Okay, so for this task, you are to get estimates from 3 surveyors for how much it would cost to survey the property. And I think it's worth noting that out of all the people that we talk to, surveyors are going to have the hardest time giving an estimate um, because they don't know how much time it's going to take for them to survey the property. And so they will need some information from you to help them determine about how much it'll cost. So they'll need to know the acreage, and if you can show them where it is on a map, or if you can give them the parcel number, the APN, that will help them to come up with an estimate for how much it'll cost to survey. And let them know that if they cannot provide an estimate, then we won't be able to move forward with them. So we need an estimate in order to, um, sign them up to be the surveyor for the property. So basically, we want to get 3 or more because surveyors are kind of hard to nail down to give estimates. So probably maybe up to 5 or 6 surveyors to figure out about how much it'll cost to get the property surveyed. So what we can do to find a surveyor is just type in the name of the town. So a lot of these examples are looking at a property near Candelia, Texas. So we'll just say surveyor near Candelia, Texas. Okay, so here are all the closest surveying companies, and yeah, they're all uh, they all look like they're probably a pretty good fit for this. So um, I just call if they have a really bad review score, maybe don't call them. But so I would just call them and ask them how much it would cost to survey the property, and then give them the property information. And uh, you can also listen to the recording of the call. What you want to do is create a contact for them. Your call may automatically create a contact, and it'll just give the name that's their phone number. But if you want to create a contact before you call, you can do that. You'll add in their name, and the contact type will be surveyor after you put in their name. And then when you scroll down here, there are surveyor details. And so you'll put in the company name. If they're like working for Survey Incorporated or something, type in the state. So in this case, it's Texas that the surveyor works in. And you should ask them what counties they work in. So in this case, Kendall County. If we wanted to add another county, we would click the add button, and we could add in another county. So maybe they work in Bourne County too. And then their cost estimates. This is what they think it'll cost. Maybe they say it'll cost $2,500. And then we would click save to add this contact in. If they were already an existing contact, you just check their information, make sure their name is correct, the contact type is surveyor, and then add their phone and email, and add these survey details in. And once we once we contact 3 to 5 surveyors and we get estimates from them, let me know, and we will go with the best option, which will most likely be the cheapest. And once we select the surveyor, your job will be to link them to the deal. So if you're going to link them to this deal, basically all you need to do is scroll down here to other contacts when you're on the deal page, and under surveyor contact, it'll give you this option to pick a contact. So you just select the surveyor. You can search for the surveyor by typing right here in the search bar, and then you can just click on them right here and it'll add them. And then that way the surveyor will be linked to this deal. And anytime we look up the deal, we can easily find the surveyor by clicking on their information. If you have any questions about how to do this, let me know, and you can comment in the notes below and I'll respond back to you. So that way, if future people have comments, they can see it. Thanks.